This is the Levi's Bifold wallet. One thing we really like about this is that it's really high quality leather. It's all black with black stitching, so it's a true black. It is a bifold wallet with a third fold in the middle, which is a try. It has this adorable pattern on the inside of the money area, which is this kind of canvas blue pattern with little white stitching. Really like this option on this. It has one ID spot. Here it has 3 card slots, 3 more, and then 3 more here. So we can count how many slots there are in total. 1, 2, 3. There's 1 here, 1 here. So that's 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 total. This side's stitched up so you can't get into it. Overall, I think it's a really high quality wallet. I really would suggest, if you're looking for a really nice wallet, to check out this Levi's wallet.